In this video, I'm going to show you the updated way on how to add your vanilla Visa gift card to your Apple Wallet. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to make sure that you have your vanilla Visa gift card near you if you can, because it's going to make this process much easier and smoother for you, just so you know. So if you have it physically and you can actually bring it next to you right now, please do so, because as I said before, it's going to help us in this process. So what you're going to do then is to just go into your settings app. So go into your settings app right here, as you can see. Now we're going to just scroll down in here until we can see where it says Wallet and Apple Pay. So we need to now click where it says Wallet and Apple Pay, of course, and it should now take us to this page right here, which is perfect. So in here you will be able to see all of the current cards that you have connected to your Apple Wallet. You probably do have one or two maybe already, and if you don't, it doesn't matter. Basically, that is just general information, obviously. But what we're going to do in this tutorial is to just click on Add Card in here. So click on Add Card, and as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here. So what you're going to do on this page, it says Scan or Add Card down below, as you can see, which is perfect. So you're going to click on Scan or Add Card, and that is why I told you before, make sure that you have your card nearby you, because you can just scan it real quickly, and then it's going to automatically add to your Apple Wallet. But if you can't scan it right now, or you don't have the card nearby you, you can click where it says Enter Card Details manually, as you can see, and then you can actually just enter card details manually in here if you actually remember them or if you have the photo of them, because unfortunately it's not going to work if you don't know any of these details right here. So either scan it and just add it to your like Apple Wallet, or you can just do it manually right here. Just enter all the details correctly, and then you will be able to add your Visa gift card to your Apple Wallet. So that is basically exactly how to do this.